Welcome back. In the previous lesson, our workflow learned how to make decisions based on the user's request. It can classify intent and choose a specific path. At this point, the workflow already knows where to go. But knowing where to go is not enough. After a decision is made, we still need to prepare what comes next. We need a way to take values from the workflow and turn them into usable text. And that's the role of the template node. Alright, let's now begin with the template node. Before we talk about the template node, let me show you the official document. So at first glance, this page looks quite complex. So you will see many features listed here, the variable substitution, the conditional logics, the loops and iterations, and some more advanced syntax. So this is often where beginners feel overwhelmed and they feel like they need to understand everything at once, but actually don't. Okay, so in this course, we intentionally limit what we focus on in each phase. So for phase 2, we're going to focus on just one thing, this variable substitution. And you might notice some features like the conditional logic or the loops in this document, but we will not cover this right now. They belong to phase 3, okay? And some later lessons. And for now, your only goal is to understand how workflow variables appear inside the text for this template node. And that's it. So now let's see what the variable substitution means. It means taking a value from the workflow and inserting it into a text. So in the template node, this is done using these double curly braces right here. And usually we will put a variable name inside these double curly braces. Let's see its syntax. Let me give you an example. Okay. So right here, we have got this question classifier in our last lesson. Let's just connect it with a template node. So now you know our syntax is using a double curly brace and add a class name, right? So we can directly click this, so it will appear to be a double curly braces. So now the variable name is in this double curly braces. The syntax is correct. So usually we will connect it with some other words, such as my choice is this class. And let's see the output of this node. We let the user request to be text C++. So it looks like a technical problem, so it will go into the first path. So the output of the template node is my choice is technical problem. So you will see we connected my choice is and the class name together to be a string. So the output variables is absolutely a string. Okay, so you will always see some other syntax like this dot and this bracket. Okay, so usually we will connect this template node with an LLM node because the output of the template is a string, so we will always put this string in our syntax prompt just like this. And that is how template node works. I hope you have understood it. So at this point, our workflow can already do two things. It can decide where to go using the question classifier, and it can take values from the workflow and turn them into readable text using the template node. Notice what we did not do here. We did not add logic, we did not extract new information, and we did not ask the model to think. A template node does not change data. It only formats what already exists. But in real workflows, there is another common problem. Users rarely provide information in clean structured fields. They describe things in natural language. To turn that kind of input into structured data like dates, numbers, or names, we need a different node. That's the parameter extractor node. I will see you in the next video.